everyone, my name is Luke Aberley and welcome back to Luke's View. And today I am going to be doing an unboxing on the Sandisk Extreme Portable SSD. And so I'm very excited about this. I've never owned an SSD before, so I'm super pumped. And so let's jump right in. So we'll go right into here. Cut the tape. So I love doing unboxings, and especially on tech. Super excited. So right here we have the set. So we'll do the boring stuff first, and then we'll get to the main or exciting part. So right here we have a USB-C to USB-C cable, and then we also have a USB-A adapter for the USB-C. So if your computer does not have USB-C, you can use the USB-A adapter, which is helpful for me because my computer does not have USB-C. You got a little instruction manual here, and yeah, that's basically it. Nice packaging, nice and simple. I don't like it really when companies put in a whole bunch of things that are unnecessary. So yeah, we got this. And so let's get to the main things. So this is very fast. And so this one's rugged and stuff. This one's by Sandisk. And I'm going to tell you some of the benefits of having an SSD, maybe over a hard drive or something. So the benefits of a SSD is they're sometimes normally faster. So this is up to 550 megabytes per second. And this is the 500 gigabyte model. Another competitor to this is the Samsung T5 drive. That's another SSD too, but the thing I liked about this one is it was rugged. So that was kind of nice. So if you dropped it or something or accidentally hit some moisture, you would be okay with this. The other one, it's not as rugged as this one, but it is a little bit smaller, I think. And yeah, so the nice thing about an SSD is, first of all, it's smaller than a hard drive, so they're more portable, and it's almost the same price. I think 500 gigs. This was, I believe, 130, but I believe the T5 for 500, since it's not as rugged, it's about, I think, $90 or something. So which isn't terrible for a pretty fast device. But the benefits of this is a hard drive, it has moving gears and parts in it. So that's how you hear, oh, my hard drive failed because one of the gears or something failed in it. But with this, there's no moving parts in this. So it doesn't make as much noise, and it's a little bit more secure. And so, yeah, I'm super excited to try this out, nice and fast, so I could just dump all my footage from these videos from the SD card onto here and edit straight off this because it's so fast. But yeah, this is super cool. I might do a review, maybe, I'll see. But yeah, that's probably it for now, guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.